Hey there, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see how to install and set up Copilot in our own IntelliJ. Okay, so for this we are going to need number one IntelliJ, obviously that needs to be installed in your system, and number two we are going to need a GitHub account. All right, so let's move ahead. What we are going to do first is we are going to go to our files, and then we are going to go to our plugins. Okay. And in the plugin section, we'll go to Marketplace and search for GitHub Copilot. GitHub Copilot. Okay. So this is what we are going to install, GitHub Copilot, your AI pair programmer. Okay. And then we're going to click on install. This would take a little time. Just give it its own due time. All right. It is done. So once it is done, it will prompt you to restart your IDE. Go ahead and click on Restart IDE and click on Restart. If for some reason your IDE does not restart, you can just go ahead, close your IDE and restart it yourself. Even that would work. All right. So let's just wait for my IDE to restart. All right. Once your IDE has restarted, you will see a GitHub Copilot icon appear on your right hand bar. Click on that icon. It will take some time to initialize your Copilot. Again, give it its own due time. Okay, one more thing you can see over here is this. On your bottom bar, you'll see there is a GitHub icon. Over here, it shows a red cross. This means you are not signed into GitHub. If you point to it, again, it will show the same. Right now, okay, so we need to sign into our GitHub account. And we can use Google and Apple also, but I would prefer GitHub because it really works well with GitHub. Go ahead, click on this. It will redirect you to your GitHub account. If it is already created and logged in, you will just be asked to verify your session. If you are not logged in, you will be asked to log into your GitHub account. Since I was already logged in, it asked me to just verify it. Okay. Now I will click on continue over here. This authorizes your GitHub to access your Copilot plugin. So over here, it asks you what you actually want to do with your GitHub IDE. It is asking you for access to your repository and workflow. I would say just go ahead and grant them because you would primarily be working with your repositories and your workflows. So authorize GitHub, authentication successful, and that's it. This is all you need. Now let's go back to our IDE and check, has this finished? Okay, it is saying that it has successfully signed into our GitHub account, and now it is initializing my chat window so that I can start asking my queries, I can start programming, and I can start using my GitHub Copilot. Okay, so it has finished initializing my GitHub account. You can see you have got best practices and share feedback. These links may or may not be available. All right, so now let's just go ahead and test this out. Check whether Copilot is giving us responses or are we getting any errors or something. So what I'll do is okay, I'm already in ask mode. I'll just quickly ask it to write a code. Let's say write me hello world code in Java. Wait for it to process. Okay, so it just gave me a hello world code. It gave me a reply, and that consumed 0.2 credits. You can check your credits consumption from here. You can click on this, and this will show you what plan you're on, how much credits you have consumed. You can upgrade your plan from here. Right now, I'm on free plan, so this is all I get. All right. One more thing. So if you want to select which which AI model you want to use, right now, since I am again using a free plan, I do not have that choice. I would only get auto. Once I upgrade my plan, then I can actually choose which AI model I actually want to use. All right. So yeah, that's all it takes to configure your Copilot for your IntelliJ. Again, so right now we have only configured our ask mode. Agent mode might require few more configurations that we can see in the next video. And thank you for watching this. Have a great day ahead.